Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum, doctor. We have a sister here. She wants to take Shahadah, alhamdulillah.
Okay, sister. Sister, may I know your name?
My name is Gurpreet Kaur. I'm a Sikh.
Sorry?
I'm a Sikh.
You are a Sikh. Sister, do you believe that there is one God?
Yeah, I do believe.
Do you believe that idol worship is wrong?
Yeah.
Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Yeah, I believe.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No, it's my free wish.
You're doing it out of your free will?
Yeah.
Is anyone bribing you, giving money?
No.
Okay, so you're doing it out of your own free will. Inshallah, I will say it in Arabic and you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God but Allah
there is no God but Allah
and Prophet Muhammad
and Prophet Muhammad
is
is
the messenger
the messenger
and servant of Allah.
and
Servant of Allah.
servant of Allah.
MashaAllah, may Allah grant you Jannah. You are a Muslim, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when a non-Muslim becomes a Muslim, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that all his or her previous sins are washed away. Whatever good you did remains. Whatever sin you did, as many as they are, the moment you accept Islam, all your previous sins are washed away. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He, through you, guide the other people to the true religion.
Thank you.
Jazakallah, sister.